Okay, hi guys. My name is Cami, aka Carmen, aka OG Cami Low, aka me. I'm just kidding. I'm so annoying. Okay, so earlier today I was actually like about 20 minutes ago, I was doing my hair and makeup. Well, I was attempting to. And I decided, oh, you know what? Let me do my motherfucking eyebrows. And I did something stupid that you shouldn't do. I decided, let me cut a corner because I didn't have the time. And anyways, I didn't have the time, so I decided, oh, let me shave off the little hairs that we have right here. And don't lie, don't act like you have never done that, because yes, you have, bitch, okay? So I was doing that, and my dumbass shaved some of my eyebrows off. I'm in a hurry, bitch. So I am going to, instead of plucking, I am shaving. Bitch, I cut half my motherfucking... Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god, are you fucking... It's okay. You cannot tell now because I fixed it. And by fix it, I mean I covered it up. You know, I'm just gonna keep my hair over it, but I thought, fuck it, you know, let me do a eyebrow tutorial or whatever. If my eyebrows aren't like super nice, don't say nothing because no one asked you. What you're gonna start off with is looking at your cute self and give yourself a compliment. You are slept on. You are cute. First, you're gonna start off with putting your hair behind your motherfucking ears, bitch. Okay, so I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. How do they do it? Like this. Here it is. There's my brow gel. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills Beach. So I like to just kind of brush through my eyebrows like this. And just, you know, this part I like to make pointy. You know, when I had hair here, that's what I would do. This I brush up into here and then, you know, make a curve like that. Then I do the same with this side. Next, you want to take your Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz. First, you want to outline where you want your brows to go. So I just like to keep it simple and do like a little bit. So I like to fill it out where I'm going to go first. This is a little thick right here. Don't worry, you can just brush it out. And then I fill in, but first I definitely like to outline. Sorry if you can't see it. And you want to fill in lightly, because you don't, no one's eyebrows are freaking, you don't want to look like you got a marker and just, my left side, I don't know if it's just me, but I have trouble doing it. Anyways, fill it in and then watch it. And then honestly, if I was going out like downtown or doing something scandalous, I would get some concealer, dab it on my wrist, and then get a thin pointy brush like this. Let me see. Focus. If this would focus and it's not going to, just imagine you know what this looks like. And then I would get it and go like this on the fucking bottom, just to set it, just to make sure it's, you know, the half of my eyebrow that I'm fucking drew in is still there. Now I'm just going to get ready to go and hang out with my friends, but basically all I have on is, you know, some lashes and some eyebrows, you know. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Thank you. Bye.